Display image over SSH. No X. Is there any way to display an image over SSH? There's not need for good quality, I just need an idea of what is in the images. Mostly these are icon files for websites and such. Sometimes I can just forward X over SSH and use display, but sometimes I can't. I don't mind working in a non-XD for applications such as FBI. I have tried JP2A, but most of the images are in PNG format and it is cumbersome to convert each one to check what is in them. Also, by using only the ASCII characters, the display is very limited. Perhaps if it could use arbitrary UTF-8 characters, this could be better. I've tried FBI, but it complains I have to VT_get_say column invalid argument, not a Linux console ? Even when I'm shinging through a non-graphical T. I did try the T2 option, which doesn't throw any errors, but I don't see the image. I suspect that the image is being displayed on T2 of the server, which I have no way to see. I cannot get to it with CHV-T2 even though I have root access. I have tried Lynx, W3C, and other console browsers, but the best that I've gotten out of them is to see the image file displayed as if it were run through cat. I have tried player's console output options, but those only support video, as they are in fact video codecs. I have tried ZGV, however as a normal user it complains he must be the owner of the current console to run ZGV, and as root it just hangs, no output.
Try image to text. For Ubuntu it can be found in KakaUtils packet. KakaUtils seems to be also available as RPM.
One way to display an image with a text screen is via AALib. That will use ASCII chars to render an image, and if you have a large enough text area, sort of resolution, then you can recognize what is being shown. You would run the conversion to ASCII art/movies on the remote side of the SSH link. Link, AALib demo on YouTube. Also, by using only the ASCII characters the display is very limited. Which means that unless you have a large terminal to play with you will barely recognizable images. If you can use a large terminal on a high-density display, with sharp letters even when you use a tiny font, then it is usable.
Not as fast as ASCII, but full quality view concept. FIM works for PDF files too, and for WAV/MP3/MP4 files FIM I can be replaced with. Uplayer Vov 2 cache 16384.
Since this question ranks well in search, here are several options that you'll likely have available in your package manager. Katam, TIFF, TIM, Chafa, ASCII Art.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.